Morning guys, just wanted to say if you're new to this channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet already. I'm in Krabi today. I had the best sleep of my life. I think this hotel has the best bed I've ever slept in my entire life. So I've just come down to breakfast and today we are going on a hike. This hike is so awesome guys, cannot wait to show you.
Around 3 kilometers, so it's going to take about an hour and a half to get up there. I'm a little bit nervous because I did have a really hard gym workout this morning and I've got this backpack with my drone and my camera in it, so it's going to be a little bit difficult I think, but I'm excited to get to the top because they've got this really cool rock that I want to take a photo on. And so this hike or mountain is called Khao Ngon Nak, if I pronounced that correctly, and we are just about to begin our journey right now. Made it to the top and the views are just insane. It's just trees over trees over trees, and there's some really cool rocks to take photos on as well, and it was pretty empty too. There's not really that many people up here, so you pretty much have the whole place to yourself, or at least I did. Well worth the climb, I'd say. From that hike, it was actually pretty hard, but all I want to do right now is just jump in the pool. I think I'm just going to take it easy today. I'm probably just going to spend the rest of the day at the hotel, enjoy this room while it lasts because it is beautiful, and maybe I'll head down to the beach for sunset as well. So that is basically what I'm going to do. Right now though, pool time! Had a little bit of a swim. I've got changed into this very it's not the most stylish dress, but it's super comfortable. I actually got it from Bali. You can just throw it on and it just feels like you're wearing nothing because it's so baggy. So yeah, excuse my dress at the moment, but I'm actually just going to go to the spa. They've got a spa here, and the steam room, sauna and the baths that they have are actually complimentary, so I wanted to go check those out. So yeah, let's go to the spa. I made it to the spa. This spa is actually really cool because usually when you go to a spa there's just only treatment rooms, so you've got to pay for the treatments, but the Ritz Carlton actually have an area that's complimentary as well. So you've got this relaxing pool which is amazing, and then you've got the steam room and the sauna as well, and then they've also got a relaxation room which is all included in your stay. I haven't really seen that that much. Usually they've got a steam room and sauna, but it's never this nice. So yeah, I'm very, very impressed. I'm just I do feel instantly relaxed in here. I was relaxed in my room, but this is just so quiet, and there's nobody here as well, so it's basically your own private relaxation area. I'm going to jump in, take some shots and enjoy this place. day. I feel so refreshed after leaving the spa, although the jacuzzi was so hot and I was in there ages trying to take a photo. But at the same time, after I came out and like just kind of got ready, I feel like a lot more refreshed. I'm gonna head to the pool right now just to see if I can catch the sunset, although it looks a little bit overcast today, so I don't really know if I'm gonna get much of a sunset, but I'm gonna go there, chill, and basically see what happens.